Matter area now launched in Bangalore. Tech capital's riders get the edge with the world's first manufactured geared electric motorbike. Matter offers first 500 Bengalurian riders, ERA at a special introductory price starting at 1.79 lakhs rupees. Bengaluru, India 17th April 2025 Matter, India's trailblazing tech innovation company, has officially launched its flagship electric motorbike the ERA in the heart of India's innovation capital, Bengaluru. This follows the successful inauguration of Matter's world-class manufacturing hub and marks the beginning of its committed market expansion and mobility transformation across India. The Matter ERA is now available at a pre-registration showroom price starting from 1.88 lakhs rupees. As a limited-time launch offer, the first 500 riders in Bengaluru can own the ERA at a special price starting at 1.79 lakhs, bundled with a free lifetime battery warranty worth 15,000. Matter's bold nod to its early believers. To bring the brand closer to the people, Matter is set to soon unveil its first experience hub in BTM layout second stage near Vyasya Bank Colony, 100 feet road. This vibrant space will let riders explore the ERA in person, take test rides, and experience Matter's philosophy firsthand. There's no better city to lead this journey than Bengaluru, where innovation isn't just an idea, it's a way of life. Every lane, every rider here resonates with purpose and progress. The ERA isn't just a bike, it's the 22nd century motorbike. It delivers the thrill of a rocket and the practicality your pocket loves. With our in-house developed Hypershift manual gearbox, liquid-cooled powertrain, and connected tech, ERA brings together performance, emotion, and sustainability like never before, said Mohal Lalbhai, founder and group CEO of Matter, on the occasion. Bookings are now live at https://www.matter.in/ and will also be available at the Experience Hub in BTM layout, second stage near Vyasya Bank Colony, 100 feet road. Deliveries begin shortly. The Matter ERA breaks every stereotype surrounding electric mobility. Purpose-built for the Indian rider and fine-tuned for a city like Bengaluru, it offers performance, intelligence, and emotion like never before. Top features: world's first manufactured Hypershift manual gearbox 4-speed manual transmission in an EV, paired with 3 ride modes, Eco, City, Sport, to deliver 12 unique ride combinations. Comes with Smart Park Assist for ease in urban spaces. Liquid-cooled powertrain, advanced liquid cooling on both motor and battery pack for unmatched efficiency in hot, high-traffic conditions. 17.787 Smart touchscreen dashboard, a connected cockpit with navigation, ride data, calls, music, and OTA updates. Onboard charger comes with a 5-amp compatible cable for easy plug-and-charge access anywhere. Bold, futuristic design, styled with Indian DNA, engineered to stand tall on every road. 5 kWh high-energy battery, IP67 certified, with a certified IDC range of up to 172 kilometers. Light.
India needs motorcycles, for multitude of reasons. And to be a motorcyclist or to be a Mohal Lalbhai. I am the founder of Matter. Today we are here in Bangalore to talk about our entry into the city. And today we have come in with our flagship product, the Matter Era. It's the first of its kind. It's a geared electric motorcycle. Comes in with liquid cooling for the batteries, a very simple charging system, and quite a tech-heavy dashboard. So we are here in the city with an introductory price of 1,79,000 and would love to kind of get you everyone onto a test drive. Thank you.
What is the warranty?
1,79,000 is the starting price of the bike.
What is the mileage?
So the mileage, the certified range is about 170 kilometers. Typically you would get 125 to 130 kilometers on a single charge.
And how many gears do you use?
There are 4 gears on the bike, so it's a 1 and 2, 3, 4 configuration.
What is the speed for the gear? We are using the gear now. So,
So
speed how
the top speed of the bike is 105 kilometers an hour, and from an acceleration, your 0 to 40 times are under 3 seconds.
So how you survive in this field, the competitive field?
So I think the competitive field in the motorcycle space is still quite young. The motorcycles actually are 2/3 of India's two-wheeler market, and this is where there aren't enough products, electric, which are available to consumers, and that's the kind of gap that we are trying to solve.
How many colors battery like?
So we have 5 colors. There's the red, the blue, the white, the black, and the grey. In terms of battery life, we are going to be offering a lot of warranty features, but overall, consumers will not be worried for at least about 5 years.
How many stores in India?
So we have currently 2 stores in Ahmedabad. We are now starting a lot of our stores. They're in the works from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. This is the areas that we are currently expanding into.
Thank you.
Thank you.